Azoospermia is a condition where there are no sperms or absent sperm in your semen sample, and the condition seemed devastating to the couple with totally no hope for pregnancy. But with the procedure of TESA, that is testicular sperm extraction, we can extract the semen from your testes and inject into the eggs of the female partner with the technology of intracytoplasmic injection with a very good success rate.
Kajingalang jongki Hun Menteri hakasing thoding jongki tayo kala ajing menjur yakamit career sponsored courses kabaki Heh Ophisar ke lak banai bteng yaki jingpule ki jongki bakin penlong yelade ki basyampang bat ke sorkar jylla kala rairu ban perking no yaki jinglait bari jongki menteri sorkar bat ki Heh Ophisar. Habayakran bat kinong patai kubor hadin balawai ke jingalang jongki Hun Menteri unong aiktin ke sorkar uba polling do ulong ba ke sorkar jylla kala ajing menjur yakamit career sponsored courses nakabanta ke Heh Ophisar jong All India Services ke Meghalaya Civil Service ke Meghalaya Police Service ke Forest and Finance Services bakin lit beteng ya ke jingpule kenang bakin penap bat pynproh jabieng ban lak ban ai ke jing syakri ke bakambha syu. Ubak pol uong ke sorkar kalarai ban Pynshlur Heh Ophisar bakin beteng ya ke jinglet puli pentebet klam da pendeko apat ya ke kam ke bakitrai ne ban shim ya ke nu ke syuti. Uloong ke sorkar jylla kala menjur ya ke jing terwa ban bay ya ke bay puli ya ke program haduk khat sanlak ya ke bala bu'ru ya ke kendon baki Ophisar ke day ban dangdon sahnyau senam ha ke jing syakri bat kumtar terter bat ke sorkar kan satawru ya ke komiti ban bisyar bat ajing menjur ya ke Ophisar ke bakwa ban lek beteng ya ke jingpule.
The whole idea is we incentivize them so that they perform better, and there is a cap to this because there is an official committee headed by the Chief Secretary which clears such applications. And also we decided that even officers who do not belong to the cadres, say secretaries, joint secretaries, deputy secretaries, will also undergo regular orientation programs, and also members of the cabinet, as and when important bills and acts are passed by Parliament or the State Assembly, as and when the cabinet meets, whenever such important bills are cleared, they will be familiarized with those bills, so that ministers are also equipped with information.
What is the period of such?
It will be for one individual. The whole idea is that we need to upscale the efficiency of our officers. A lot of what the government is trying to do suffers when officers are not qualified enough to understand some of the nitty-gritty of administration. For instance, like notings on files, which are not clear, which shows lack of depth of understanding of the officer. So what do we do in such cases? We have access to facilities like online courses and the IIM, so we will take advantage of such courses. And this amount that we are investing is also reimbursable in the case that the official concerned fails to complete the course or fails to successfully achieve results.
Ka sorkar jylla kan perking bat pensyong nongrim ya ke jinglet bari jo menteri rangba ke jylla ki menteri sorkar bat ki Ophisar ke banlong no tang arsin hakawai ke senam mang tengka. Uba polling do ulong da ke babuk hakmat ya ke pelatengka ke jylla bat ya ke jingdon kam ban pensyong nongrim bha ya kini ke jinglet lasyem ya ke rai banang ni sakmat ke jinglet bari jong ki Heh ke sorkar jylla kentup kinong tray kontrak kan long no tang arsin hakawai ke senam mang tengka. Ulong baladau Ophisar uhap ban lit jinglet arsin udai ban IT shuai ka kaipot ne ka progress report jong ke jinglet benengkong bat hadin balala ban IT ya ka kaipot ka bapen hun bat ka bapen I ya uso an sala ban ai jingbit ba unlet biang sasisin. Ubak pol ulong baka sorkar jylla kalak ban bay pisa tang kaway ke jinglet bat ya kasien ke baar en hap ban bay hi da ke sorkar India lani da ki kenhun ki bana bari. Hakabedai baka jinglet bari ki menteri sorkar ubak pol ulong bakin hap ban yok jingbet na ke Ministry of External Affairs MEA jong ke sorkar pedeng bat kane kan bu ya ke kendon ke baper king bha ban let sabari.
Well, in certain cases, reports have been submitted. In certain cases, there has no such reports were made, or maybe the reports were not satisfactory, because we are driven by the need to achieve results. So what we're saying today is that official, that minister, has to show results when undertaking an official visit. Well, the figures are not readily available with me, but the whole point is that there have been umpteenth requests and visits undertaken by several such officials, which only needed the clearance of the chief minister. But today, in order to, as a prudent fiscal measure, the cabinet decided to rationalize such visits, reduce their frequency to 2, and also obtain progress reports so that there is no wasteful expenditure of the public exchequer. In the case of cabinet ministers, as you are aware, this is tied to clearance by the MEA, and recently, as I briefed you a couple of weeks back, the MEA has come up with very stringent conditions for even clearing such proposals of visits. So this includes even the chief minister.